Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I am going to discuss about my trades today, which we have done based on the candlesticks pattern. I have made some good profit that I am going to discuss here. And today 45-degree stocks also I have done one trade that gives me more than 7,000 rupees profit. And yesterday's stock selection what IRCTC, I got a 3-4 messages. Those who are booking 3,000 4,000 profit in IRCTC, congratulations. Those who made profit on IRCTC based on our yesterday's stock selection. And today is the weekend. Market is today finally zigzag and settled with very flat. Maybe next week we'll expect what will happen in the market. We can read the charts and we will identify what up. And this stock we already do a trade in Tata Chemical. So that I think we made profit around 13,500. I think 1100 call. So look at this, how this stock alone, a single stock, which pays me near about 30,000 rupees profit with a simple candlesticks pattern that I made. So nothing, no indicators, no signals which I used here. Simple logic by I made a trade on this stock is about the pattern which is bullish. 𝐂𝐵𝐼𝐵. I mentioned at the day the bullish 𝐂𝐵𝐼𝐵 where it is forms at 119 and the low is around 184,084. So here this is what a candlesticks pattern is, a bullish 𝐂𝐵𝐼𝐵. So few days back we seen on Nifty and Bank Nifty also bullish 𝐂𝐵𝐼𝐵. So more powerful candlesticks pattern that present at any stocks may have the momentum or movement of the stock would be very high. So we made the scanners and we already shared the scanners on my Telegram channel. Don't ask me, give me a scanner. Okay, already we given. So here my buy entry point at the stock is over and above. This is my level around 1123. That is what 1123 is my entry point, and my stop loss is around 1084. On the day where it is broken this level, I buy a call option of 1140. I bought around 52 rupees. Got it? So I bought the option, the lot size is 1000 rupees, which I have invested 52,000 rupees on that particular stock based on that candlesticks pattern. But what happened next day? And the next day itself market opened gap lower. But the important thing, market forms open low, gap lower. That is what I did. I was taking 1100 call. I think I was taken around 30 something, 30 or 40 and 53. Yeah, 40 rupees. I think it is taken around 40 and closed by 53.5. Here it forms a open low, and this is called a technical gap down. Technical gap down, and with open equal to low, that it started moving higher, and I exited around 53. On the same day it went up to 70 rupees. So I made another new position on that. So I booked some 13,000. Now this position which I taken 1100 call, sorry 1140 call, is a cost price or minimum 2 rupees 3 rupees up and down. It is trading from my entry point. So I keep holding the position because the trend is clear about the stock based on this candlesticks pattern, and it is also be gap up, and while waiting for this eye to broke. This is a doji, another candle where we have seen there is a doji candle. So this eye is my entry point. I'm waiting for it. The next day it broke that high, correct? So again I have took another position 1120 1120 call option, which I take it, and already I have booked 1100 call option around 13 points, 13.5, and I am already holding 1140 call option around 50, 51.5 something, or 52. So this is the range where I took, and this one which I have taken around 58 rupees. So what happened after that? Today, after 2 days, the stock was in a very narrow range. I told you I'm holding position on Tata Chemicals because it's giving me some candle confirmation. The first confirmations about the stock is Harami, sorry, homing pigeon. The second one is Doji, and 2 consecutive days it was a very flat. But today it moves some high. What happened? The 58 rupees which option which I bought it around, sold around 70. This 51 which I bought it around 52, I sold around 57. So overall all the three positions I made profit, and I have exited with that. Today, what was the logic why I exited? And if you see my trades, that was giving you some idea how the candlesticks pattern tell you the informations before market turn. So let I show my the profit screen, or I'm going to show you this one. So let's say previous position I have already updated on my video. So here this one 58 rupees we bought, and today I sold around 70.40 booked out. And this option is the first one, I think 53. It's about 53 where I sold around 57. So where total profit we made here on that 13.5 and 12.5 and almost 4 rupees. We got around 26, 29 key is the overall profit only on Tata Chemical. So the BEL is different, where we do by 45 degree. Today by opening itself I seen that BEL I bought the option 320 call 14 and 2 rupees is good enough. The same BEL we seen few days back, I took 300 call based on the 45 degree. So once I took it, it went huge right now. That option we took around 15 rupees, now it is more than 30 rupees. It's doubled 100%. So but I'm not waiting it because it is giving me a good profit on a daily basis. That's good enough by the candlesticks pattern. So here let's look at it 70 and 57 which I've exited. That exited booking a profit is not a big deal but escaping from that a down move. While if you're checking that the Tata Chemical after book the profit, let's look at this why I booked it. So maybe some information. So here the high is made somewhere around 72.45 and closed by 46. If I'm not booked out, I may be in 10k loss in this position. Another position which I've taken is around 1140, right? So 1140, if I'm taking it out, it made a high of, sorry, 1140, it's not a 50, 1140, which made a high of 60. I exited around 57, and if I'm holding it right now, it is around 37, maybe almost a big 16 points, 16k, almost 26,000 would be a loss if I'm holding the same position at the end of the day. But how did I exited the position with a simple nothing indicators, nothing candlesticks pattern? Let's look at this. I'm just changing it on a 15 minutes. Hope you understand what makes the sense. The simple and powerful method which gives you the opportunity where I'm going to find out by shooting star, by top. Those who are using our hammer and shooting star candlesticks pattern. This was the stock which is filtered by that pattern. And let's look at this. This is the day high around 1162. I think it is a high, and the close price is 1156. At this point the market is almost 1156. Once it is broken the next candle, let's look at the movement is around 1111.7. so almost 40 points down in 15 minutes shooting star, which this candle will tell us there is a reversal in the market which is happening at highest level of the day as well as highest level of the trend. Let's look at that. The market is started here That is a gap down with the open low and started moving up on the day. Still let us keep on going up, and finally it's showing you the trend reversal. Find out by trend reversal using the shooting star. So that was a great opportunity where to take a new trades. But already the stock is pays me more than the 29,000. It's not it's good enough to made. So that is why I exited my position on Tata Chemical. Right now I'm not holding any position in Tata Chemical. So how did I book a profit in that uh, that stock was called what was that one? It's about BEL. So BEL we took previously the same kind of a 45 degree. 45 degree I think we took around this day, not this recently we took almost here I think on 29th or 30th August. I didn't just know. But after I am taking the position, it was slightly down, and I booked around 7,000, 10,000 rupees profit on that. Again today it is about a 45 degree. Previous day compared to previous day, it is keep on moving up 45 degree, and it is continues the trend. And yesterday I seen the same stock on 45 degree. Today morning I seen the same on a 45 degree. That was giving you some great opportunity. That has also pays me on by 45 degree candle scanner. But after sometimes it is not here. But today India Mart I'm seeing it, but I cannot able to buy it. 𝐻𝐾𝐜 we did already previous trade, we booked 𝐻𝐾𝐜, and McDowell also giving you some profit today, and some other stocks M&M Finance that is also coming under the scanner. So that was working. You can take the top 10 stock from this top 10. If any stock which you find by tomorrow, you can go for the trade. It will give you some profit by intraday. So positional also you can go for it. I'm not the Tata Chemical. So if you go for a Bharat Bell daily chart, let's look at, even it is a daily chart, it is a 45 degree. Let's look at this for an investment purpose. So from 230 almost 330 100 point, nearby 50% it increased. I hope you understand how the powerful shooting star is. So if you wish to join our shooting star hammer candlesticks pattern, you can also welcome. You can join with me. So thank you for watching this. If you have any questions or a doubt, you just comment on the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.